So we're on Maury, okay? And we have Danielle here today.
Showstoppers Incorporated,
you know. And we have
Cherry
here, and she's
Strawberry, and Young Jay.
Okay, so we have Danielle here, and this is their child. That baby right there. Okay? And they say Danielle thinks that Young Jay is the father of her child.
I'm 100% sure he's the father of my child. So I don't know why he's sitting on this show. He didn't call me on this show. I don't know why he's sitting on this show acting like that's not his child. So I'm just here to tell y'all, the viewers, that this is his child. What you mean it don't look like him? It looks just like him.
Okay, so we're going to bring Young Jay out here to face Cherry. Young Jay, would you come on stage, please?
That ain't my baby, man. Come on this show with me. It is your baby.
Okay, can we sit down?
You got big, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
It is your baby.
You got big.
I'm mad you ain't got no meat on you, though. It is your baby. It is your baby.
What you talking about?
It is your baby.
Okay.
It is your baby.
Okay, can we sit down so we can talk? Okay, do you think this is your baby?
Whatever. I ain't even gonna argue. I ain't like none of these other people. I'm not gonna sit here and argue with you. I know it's your baby.
Okay,
I'm 100%
are you sure this is, excuse me, are you sure this is your baby?
Don't excuse me.
This is not your baby.
First of all, I don't even know what the baby looks like.
Oh. Where's
This ain't your baby. This ain't your baby.
Let me see it.
This ain't Keon Jr. No, just tell me. This ain't Keon Jr.
Who's Keon?
Okay, so you gonna act stupid like you don't even know your own son. Come here. Look at his face. Come here. Look at that. Don't they look alike? Y'all can help.
Okay.
No, that ain't my baby.
The results are
He
in.
ain't got no hair.
Okay. Okay. When it comes to the son of Terry and Young Jay, 2-year-old Keon, okay? Young Jay, you are not the father.
That's a lie. 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 Yes. I don't even care because I already know I'm a fan. The father of my child, 2-year-old Jerome.
Come here, I gotta tell you something.
I thought it was
Here, I have to tell you something. Come here. Look, sit down.
No, I don't want
nobody
from me.
Turn around.
Sit down, Janelle.
I'm sorry that I'm not the father. I would not have taken back.
You don't want that baby. That baby.
Hey, we got to
Deuces.